Hey everyone, and welcome to the very first lesson of the Markov Method, your step-by-step guide to learn C# from the absolute zero all the way to building your very own fully working web app using the power of .NET and MVC. I'm Profs Markov, and I will be your host throughout this fantastic journey. Whether you've never written a line of code, or maybe you've just seen or dabbled other coding languages before, this course is designed to take you by your hand and help you in every single step of the way. So, shall we start? I've always loved playing video games. Like, who doesn't? But one day something clicked. I thought, wait a minute, how are these games even made? And just like that I decided I want to learn more about this. But here's the twist, when I start learning it, I realized that video games are just a very tiny, small part of this massive world of programming. And I do mean massive. The possibilities of it are endless. So what is coding really? Imagine giving super precise step-by-step instructions to something that only does exactly what you say. No guessing, no shortcuts. That something? It's your computer. Coding is how we talk to machines. Just like we use English, Spanish, or Japanese to talk to each other, computers have their own languages too. And in this course, we are going to learn one of the coolest and the most powerful one, C#. Get ready to unlock an entire new way of thinking, creating, and maybe even building your own game someday. Who knows? So let's dive in. Alright, if we want to start coding in C#, we need a place to actually write our code. Like, let's say, a digital notebook, but way cooler, of course. This magical tool is called Visual Studio. It's kind like your coding home where you write, test, and run all your programs. You can grab it super easily. There's a link down below in the description, or you can follow this link. You might also need an SDK. We will talk about this in more detail in the future, but right now, just head to this site and download the version that has the highest number. I will also post a link in the description, so don't worry about it. And that's it. That's all we need to get rolling. So let's fire it up, create our first project, and write our first block of code. So to begin, open Visual Studio Community and let's create a project. Now search for the template console app. You shall find lots of possible options. Choose the one that has a little C# on the corner. Now we should name our project. Give it the name of MMM Console App 1 and choose a suitable location for it. Here select the highest version that you have available and it's done. It's a tradition to start a new computer language study with the already famous Hello World app. And that is exactly what we will do right now. In our recently created project, the template that we selected already have the necessary code for our Hello World app. It's right here. As you can see in the main window, we have the necessary code. So all we have to do is press play in the top. Command line box will appear and as you can see it has printed Hello World. As simple as this. In our next video, we will learn some very basic navigation inside Visual Studio and we will start learning about variables and data types. I hope that you have enjoyed and stay tuned for our next episode of the Zero to Pro with Markov Manor.